Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I want to make up a pan of colors with metallic white from Additives, Decor Americana 24 karat gold with some orange in it, Folk Art green gold, some Venetian blue with some Additives white metallic in it. I'm trying to go outside my comfort zone. Similar color. This is a peacock, I believe, from a Decor Americana. And it's time to mix some more, evidently. I want a little Prussian blue. Oh, maybe I can't have it. I'm going to throw a little yellow. Oh, I just cleaned that bottle tip. Cool, I think I got it. A little yellow. I think that was a Master's Touch. Little Velveeta. I like the colors. I planned on going for broke and just using them all in here. I like making my pan of colors look like a painting, I guess. That's not coming out. That was open. It's not open now. Okay, so I'm going to give myself some Color Art Prism Pour Hot Orchid. My favorite color du jour at the moment. I'm going to try and use some of this Venetian blue. Which usually sinks. And a little tiny bit of orange. And everything else can come as I go along, I guess. Here's some dioxazine purple. Throw a little bit of the Mysterious, that is the last of it that I have left. And what else? Nope, that wasn't it. Alright, but I'm going to use some anyway. It's in my hand. Might as well use it. Alright, so what am I missing? I'm kind of missing the magenta, quinacridone magenta with iridescent pearl fine from golden mixed into it. If you guys ever have any questions, feel free just to ask me. I am going to do a little bit of black. Well, I would if it were open. There's that. And do I want red? Maybe I just want a little, no, I want some white. Now, I'm going to try, as quickly as possible, to cover this canvas with a layer of wet paint. And usually I would like to add my shovels to a dry canvas, but this time I want to try and be rogue. This time I want to try and add shovels of color onto a wet black canvas, and I might even tip. And depending on how things are looking, I might use chain. I might not. At that point, anything is a go, which might include using Floetrol to swipe with. That could always happen. So I'm just going to quickly, as levelly as I can, make all that paint go. I'm going to try not to worry about my edges, but I'm going to run my spatula down the side. Knocking off anything that's on there and helping me encourage drips to go over. And they are. Throw that in the bucket. Oh, I want that paint off there. Throw that in the bucket. Use what I've got on my tile that needs to go. So at least one side is now mostly covered. So it's time. Time to come over here. And what am I going to do? I want it to go in a diagonal and make it pretty simple. Because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link, underneath the link tree, underneath the video. This is the first time I've done this way. I could stop now and I could be done. That could be pretty cool minimalism. I don't think it's going to happen this time. I like the orange. I think if I want more orange, I'm going to have to put it in there. So I'll do that. I wonder how far I will go. I should tell you guys I have over 91,000 subscribers, and I want to go from this end. I don't even know if I can go from that end, so I won't. That was a little clumsy on my part. But who knows, I could lead all kinds of things over the top. I kind of want to do that. I'm not sure I like it. It's not better. Not yet, anyway. So, I have an edge catcher around here somewhere, I think, that I can drip onto. And I'd like to do that right now. Let everything flow down. Stretch it out. Maybe I can use a torch on it. Maybe I can't. We'll see. That's doing that. I'll move some bottles out of the way so I can put my edge catcher down in a second. There, that's going to make that painting a lot easier to dry now. Boy, really feels like it's just about done. Well, I can torch really quickly and see what I think. I could also drag chain through that. I'm going to put another stripe in there. And right here too, I think. And I think that might be just super simple. I also think I could probably add a few background pieces if I wanted to. Pick up whatever's handy. Without dog hairs attached to it, please. That one's evidently painted into place. It could easily be, oh, could easily be one of those filaments that goes for the bamboo skewer. And I'm going to keep the lack of paint on my shovel. Come on down. Not sure that was good either. I'm working on it. Yep, I'm not minding that. That's a big relief too, I gotta tell you what. Thought I was messing it up. So that's sweet and simple, and you can do that, and I might have to do another one because I got a lot of paint left. Way less paint than I expected. And I tipped a little bit, but not a lot, and I don't think it matters if you do or not. But I definitely have more paint left, and I am going to torch. And it is what it is. Maybe I want to look at that for a second. Make sure that anything that I want to make an adjustment to has an opportunity to have that adjustment. Cool. I will be doing that again. There's over 91,000 of you guys subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you're new, please be welcomed. You know I have over 1,800 videos, and you can find them on my channel. All playlists, creative playlists. They're organized into 18 lists of 100, and also by topic and genre. If you ever need recommendations, let me know. If you need any information from me, let me know. This is cool from all angles. Ooh, baby, I'm happy this worked. If I got a little bit of edge that needs to be covered, I can camouflage that, or at least blend it in very easily with some paint from my pan. I don't know which way is the best way up. I kind of like this way. That's awesome. Thank you guys for joining me. Check out my Teespring clothing below the video. If you ever want anything created in all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts, let me know. I'll do my best to add it there. If you have questions, please feel free to ask. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, it's underneath the video when you click show more, and you will also find my email address below the link tree there. The link tree will show you Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My Facebook group's Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Appreciation group is for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Totes and more is for shopping at pixels.com and Fine Art America. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums. There's some cool sales in there. I wonder if I should zoom in. They're nice stripes. They're just a very organic, whoa. This is so cool. I love that hot orchid from Color Art. I have to tell you what. It's the bomb. I mix it wrong. I mix it with pouring medium. I'm not supposed to. You're supposed to be allowed to mix it with water. Anyway, I should get back to, please give me a thumbs up. Please like my videos. Please share my videos. Please watch them longer. Check out my Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter on the link tree. I think I said that. I'm not sure. I say this a lot of times. My community board has tomorrow's video. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students has tomorrow's video. My Amazon link is on the link tree. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. There is a monthly drawing for paintings or books or whatever I'm offering that month, and you can see what that offering would be included in the exhibition video that's on the end screen in the last 20 seconds of every video for your pleasure. Thank you guys for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. Thank you so much for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. I love you all. I appreciate you endlessly. I'm going to do this again. That was awesome. Thank you for joining me. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.